So welcome back to another video. We're here today at Bicester Heritage for their assembly. It's the Scramble assembly in December. The theme is Festive For Wheelers, so we'll have a look around the site. Bicester's been open for 10 years now, so they do a great number of events every year, including the famous Scramble, which is a big event, probably with 5,000 plus people. These assemblies are less frequent. They're probably going to reduce the number going into next year, more exclusive through a membership that they offer. This is the Festive For Wheelers, which is a definite on the calendar every year, so it seemed wholly appropriate to bring a Festive For Wheeler today in the form of the Scooby. So there she is, blue and gold, looking splendid, complete with gold tinsel and Scooby Doo on the bonnet. So we'll have a look around the show, grab a coffee, see who we can bump into, and see you later. Cheers. Thanks. It's an old former RAF base which was closed many years ago and left derelict, and then was bought by an investor who slowly refurbished pretty much the whole estate to a really high standard. So he's encouraging industry to move in now. He's got a load of companies working here based at the site, all motorsport and car related, and he's really created a thriving industry in the local area, which is fantastic. So it's a really good site. This is the main entrance just down here now, where you come in off the main road. So this map gives you an idea of the scale of the original RAF base. You've obviously got the old hangar buildings here, which are, some of them are used for events, some of them are used for filming, different events that happen. One of them, I think this one here, is used for car storage, so quite a wide range of uses for the site. But it's a huge site, and there's big plans to develop what you can't see in this plan, which is the outer periphery with more industry coming in, hotels, etc. So quite an imagination for the long-term vision of the place, which is great. Wow, a rare car indeed. A 911 Nick Tandy edition. Interesting. I wonder if he actually knows who Nick Tandy is. So quite a rare car's just pulled in. It's a 911 Porsche, but it's a Nick Tandy car. We know a few things about those, don't we? Look at that, what a piece of weaponry. So this was done to celebrate British legends, so there were a limited number of 911s produced. This is the Nick Tandy version, which came out in, I think it was probably, I'm not quite sure when it is, it's wearing an 18 plate, but I think the guy said there was only 15. There was a Richard Atwood car and a Derek Bell car, so manual gearbox, perfect driver's car. So we've got two interesting vehicles here. We've got the Tamiya replica Toyota pickup truck as a nod to all those Tamiya fans out there. We know who you are. And we've also got an Arctic truck which featured in the famous Top Gear video a few years ago now with Clarkson, May and Hammond, which is here. This is a very local car to Bicester. We've seen it here before at the event, but yeah, pretty cool thing, complete with ensuite. So it's got a toilet seat on the rear and obviously a suitable weaponry for shooting polar bears while you're having a crap. Wow guys, when did you last see an MG Metro on the road? Look at that. It's a later one, but still cool. All ready for your winter or summer camping overland expedition. Look at that, all you'd ever need to go and survive a zombie apocalypse. We've got a very rare Defender here, which has apparently got a Ford Focus RS engine in it, so over 300 brake horsepower. What a beast. Yes, that's right, it is a Ford engine. 2.3 RS engine in a pretty standard looking but pretty cool looking Defender 90. Awesome. How much fun would that be? So that's it guys, we're finished here now. We're going to head off to get some breakfast. Hopefully you've enjoyed looking around the cars at the site today. It's been a real good mix of festive four-wheelers, and we'll see you on another video soon. Take care, bye.